So guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. In previous video we have seen about PewDiePie's YouTube strategy, but in this video we're gonna go to Indian side, India's biggest YouTuber. We're gonna see his all strategy that he uses in his videos to reach to the top of Indian YouTubers. As in this video we're gonna speak about Carryminati's YouTube strategies. By the way, if you're new to my YouTube channel, just click on the subscribe button, press on the bell icon. Wait, let's say it in Carryminati style only. Rewind.
12 seconds later.
In this video we're gonna talk about someone who roasts each and everyone. Yes, from Hollywood to Tollywood, each and everyone. Yes, in this video we're gonna speak about the roast king of India, Carryminati. So friends, that was pretty crazy enough to drive out Carryminati into me. But at the end of the video I'm gonna share you few tips by instantly you can become popular and make a good roasting channel of yourself. So watch the video till the end. So let's begin with strategy number 1. So strategy number 1 which Carryminati uses to drive out his fans crazy enough with his roasts is roasting. It may be awkward listening. The first step to start a roasting channel is roast. But listen to me till the end, because at that time when Carry started his channel there were only few roasting channels all around the world. Roasting was something new to people and it was totally different, and Carry chose a uniqueness, so he got success in it. But it wasn't easy enough for Carryminati. It took nearly 2 years to get monetized his YouTube channel. But now roasting is so common. Each and every street have 10 to 20 roasters who are waiting to roast each and every video that comes into public. But at that time there were not many roasters on YouTube platform. So Carry was unique at that time and he got more tons and tons of views. So decide yourself whether you should create a roasting channel or not. If you ask me, I say you whenever you like it you can create it, because it's your talent of roasting videos. So let's go on to strategy number 2. The strategy number 2 which Carry uses in his videos is entertainment. So as in previous video also have said you that PewDiePie uses entertainment, and I also said you that entertainment is one and only thing which each and everyone enjoys regardless of their age. So even Carry's videos was interesting. And when he's roasting someone, that was interest for each and everybody, because in India we like to troll everybody, right? But now be careful at roasting, because at that time there was not strict community guideline strikes. But at this time if you troll some huge personality, there can be community guideline strikes at your videos. So be careful while roasting someone, don't cross the limits. So I say you entertain people and they come to you, because entertainment is something that each and everyone wants in their videos, because it is something that regardless of age everyone enjoys. So let's come into the final step and the most important thing that Carry uses in his videos to drive his audience super crazy enough. One is loyalty and other is craziness. As I said in before video also, PewDiePie has a loyal fan base which allows him to grow his YouTube channel. Like that, even Carry has his own loyal fan base. If you go to each and every street of India, ask who is Carryminati, each and everyone knows who he is. For example, even in our street they know who is Carryminati. He is so popular that he is one of the biggest YouTuber on YouTube platform in India. He even crossed BBK Wise, Technical Guruji and Tech Burner. So maintain that loyal fan base. If he keeps a super chat, there are tons and tons of people who are waiting to join him and chat with him. So in third step number 2 is be crazy enough, because Carryminati is one of the craziest YouTubers you will ever see on YouTube platform. He uses his craziness to drive people like us crazy. So these are the 3 steps in which Carry uses in his videos to get more subscribers and become a trademark, or you say a benchmark on YouTube platform. So I said I will share you 3 tips you can blow up your YouTube channel. So I'm starting with step number 1. Be yourself. Yes, being yourself is a good thing, because Carryminati is himself. He's not imitating anyone. He's not imitating some big YouTuber. At that time it was BBK Wise. He was not imitating it. He was being himself. Even in Mr. Beast's case, he was himself. I posted a video in Blue Croc Shorts. Even in that, he was imitating himself. Unique and being yourself is important on YouTube platform. Number one is be casual. I'm not saying don't script your videos and say come on to camera and say somewhat you like. I'm not saying not to script your videos. You script your videos, but you write what you speak naturally to viewers. So even step 3 is being unique. As step 1 I said be yourself and be unique. The same comes on the step 3. So I ask you to be unique on YouTube platform because everyone creates tech. But humorous tech created only by Tech Burner. He's unique, that's why he reached to 50 crore subscribers, nearly 5 million subscribers. Man, idiotic. So these are the 3 steps and 3 tips I want to give you to grow your roasting channel. So if you like our video, just click on the subscribe button and press on the bell icon. The first person to get notified about all our secrets and all our videos. So you have seen Carryminati, right? Now there are 2 more which are gonna come on screen, which are about PewDiePie and which is about Mr. Beast. If you like, you can go watch it out, and don't forget to subscribe to Blue Croc. Myself, Blue Croc, signing off.